If you thought Tudor was done turning heads after dropping the bright yellow Bumblebee chronograph, you underestimated their vision for this year. While the bold 1970s racing aesthetic of the Bumblebee grabbed the headlines last week, there is another absolute masterpiece launched at Watches and Wonders that is quietly stealing the spotlight. It is sleeker, lighter, and completely built for the ultimate summer beach look. Welcome back to Lux Pulse. Today, we are taking a close look at the brand new blue edition of the Tudor Black Bay 54. This release takes everything collectors loved about the vintage-inspired black model and injects it with a vibrant, contemporary energy that makes it a massive contender for the single best luxury daily driver of the year. Let's talk about why the watch community is completely losing its mind over this footprint. The standard watch industry trend for years was to build massive, chunky dive watches that felt like a brick on your wrist. But the current watch landscape is leaning heavily toward classical historic dimensions. The Black Bay 54 captures this perfectly by staying true to a compact 37mm case diameter. If you think 37mm sounds too small on paper, you need to see how this watch actually anchors itself to the wrist. Because the case thickness is carved down to a razor-thin 11.2mm and paired with a highly proportional 46mm lug-to-lug distance, the watch wears with absolute elite ergonomics. It pays direct homage to the iconic mid-century diving references from 1954, specifically the historic reference 7922. It offers the rugged, indestructible DNA of a serious mechanical tool watch while maintaining a slim, elegant profile that slides under a linen shirt cuff just as easily as it pairs with casual swimwear. The real magic of this new variation is found right on the face. Unlike the original black version, which utilized a matte texture with warm gold gilt accents, this new model steps directly into a brighter, cleaner design language. Tudor opted for a spectacular sapphire-blue dial featuring a sophisticated sunray brushed finish. When the summer sunlight hits this surface, it catches the rays dynamically, shifting color from a deep navy in the shade to a brilliant electric blue out in the open. Tudor matched this radiant blue dial with a perfectly unified blue aluminium bezel insert. To keep the design looking razor-sharp and modern, they completely stripped away the faux vintage gilt lettering. Instead, you're getting clean, snow-white, luminous material filling the iconic snowflake hands and the applied hour markers. The bezel tracking is clean and minimal, marked out in crisp 10-minute segments without any cluttered minute hashes. This absolute restraint in design results in flawless legibility and a high-contrast monochromatic blue layout that feels incredibly refreshing. Beneath that gorgeous sapphire exterior, the technical construction is flawlessly robust. Powering the watch is the manufacturer automatic caliber MT-5400. This heavy-hitting movement is fully certified as a chronometer by the official Swiss Chronometer Testing Institute, guaranteeing exceptional timekeeping accuracy. It boasts an anti-magnetic silicon hairspring and a weekend-proof 70-hour power reserve, meaning you can take it off on Friday evening and pick it up on Monday morning without needing to reset the time. But what truly elevates this watch as a daily companion is the hardware holding it to your wrist. Tudor is offering this model on two distinct strap configurations. You can opt for the classic 3-link rivet-style stainless steel bracelet, or choose the high-performance black rubber strap that is cut precisely to fit the case integration. Crucially, both options come fully equipped with Tudor's proprietary T-Fit rapid adjustment clasp. This tool-free micro-adjustment system is a total lifesaver during hot summer days. As your wrist expands in the heat, you can instantly slide the clasp to adjust the length by up to 8 millimeters in 5 different positions, ensuring an absolutely perfect fit every single time. When it comes to pricing, Tudor continues to deliver some of the best value in modern Swiss horology. The Blue Black Bay 54 comes in at a highly competitive UK retail price of £3,490 if you choose the rubber strap option, and moves to £3,690 if you prefer the full stainless steel bracelet hardware. Given the manufacture movement credentials, the 200 meters of water resistance, and the world-class clasp mechanics, it easily outperforms competing luxury divers that cost twice as much. Before we hand over the final verdict, we are creeping closer to our major 1,000 subscriber milestone here at Lux Pulse. If you love honest, data-driven luxury watch analysis and want to stay ahead of the changing market without the boutique gatekeeping, please take a second to click that subscribe button right now. Your support keeps the channel moving forward. Ultimately, if you love the bold look of the yellow Bumblebee chronograph, but find yourself wanting something a touch more compact, elegant, and effortlessly versatile, this blue 37mm diver is the definitive answer. What is your take on this release? Does the sunray blue dial beat out the original gilt black aesthetic, or do you think the color shifts too far away from Tudor's traditional tool watch heritage? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Smash the like button, hit that notification bell, and keep time beautifully. We will see you in the next one.